Hello, welcome to MJR Piano Academy. Your instructor today, I'm Regan MJ, and we are going to dive into the technique of the arpeggios, its basic technique, how to practice it, and how to apply it in our songs or in our chords while playing. Just to have a short glimpse of what we are going to have. Arpeggios are in this pattern. Pay much more attention with my left hand. Yeah, in the left hand I've been using the arpeggios mostly, and it's the technique I want us to dive into today. If at all you are new to this channel, make sure to click the subscribe button so that you are always notified whenever I upload a new lesson. Let us start right away. The arpeggio starts from the major triad. This, all the practice for today, I'm going to do it in the key of C major. And this is the C major chord, the triad. And from the triad, I can get the root note, which is C, and I play it an octave higher. And I play this, and I add on this note. And I have this chord. And this is the arpeggio chord. And from this, I just add in a pattern to make it flow. Using finger number 5, the pinky, for the start. And finger number 3 for E, and finger number 2 for G, and finger number 1 for C. Start with practicing it slowly at a slow tempo, and go on increasing the speed gradually with time. Don't mind about the speed aspect. Speed always comes with practicing slow. And I want to add in some more sustain pedal, add in some more beauty. But these arpeggios must always play them in legato format, so that even without a pedal, it should sound smooth. And now I'm going to show you how to practice it with the right hand. Of course, from the major triad, the C major chord, you add on the octave note for C using the pinky finger, using finger number 1, 2, 3, and 5. Still the same pattern. Yeah, like that. While practicing, you will start with hands separately, and then hands together. Of course, starting at a slow tempo. And from that, we shall go straight to applying them in our playing. We are going to take an example, or we are going to use a chord progression, which is very popular. And our sample song, we shall apply the Perfect by Ed Sheeran. You will excuse me on the voice. I'm not a very good vocalist, but at least for this case, for the sake of this lesson, let me try singing. I'm going to first demonstrate using the normal chords. This progression, it goes. Goes on repeating itself like that. And I want now to show you how you can add the arpeggio technique in the left hand for this case. Of course, starting with 1. And by the way, if at all you are not yet familiar with the chord progressions or the Roman numerals that are on the screen, I already have another video about how to generate chord progressions. You can check it out on my channel. Yeah, it starts with 1. But you may realize that if I'm to complete all the notes or all the beats of a chord within the same arpeggio, you will realize that we lose out on time. We lose out on the timing of the song. Therefore, you should apply in some technique whereby you drop the last note or the last beat and you add it onto the next chord. Use it as a transition. At this point, you skip this last one and you transfer it into the next chord. Like that. Now to demonstrate with some more singing to bring it out well. That. Then you can add in the right hand. It can just keep on playing the normal chords. That. Thank you for today's thank you for keeping in till the end of this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like and share to your friends. Thank you.